So today's video is a little bit of a sad one for me, and it is the pre-sale wash on my MX-5, which I have owned for over 7 years now. I've absolutely loved this car and put a lot of effort into keeping it looking good, so I thought it was only right to give it a proper send-off with a good wash before it leaves and gets replaced for something a touch more practical. As always, I'm going to be using some products that have been kindly sent to test out, others I've purchased myself, and all of which I will be giving you my honest thoughts on throughout this video. So as always, I started off on the wheels by giving them a good pre-wash. In this instance, I used Sam's Detailing Citrus at a 1:9 dilution. Then to contact clean the wheels, I went for Yum Wheel Cleaner, and then layered Carlsco Rotor Wheel Shampoo over the top and popped some in the bucket too. Normally I'll just opt for a wheel shampoo on these wheels, as they don't generally get too dirty and are ceramic coated. However, it had been about 6 months since they'd been chemically decontaminated, so I wanted to give them a deep clean on this occasion. My car was a touch dirtier than usual, as it had rained a decent bit over the past couple of weeks since its last wash, so I popped a bit of the Sam's Citrus at a 1:9 dilution on those lower sections, and then went in with Carlsco Baltic Snow Foam at a 1:9 dilution over the top. This combination of chemicals more than took care of the dirt that was on the car, so it was as clean as possible before hitting it with that contact wash. If you are enjoying the video so far, then it'd be brilliant if you could drop it a like, as it really does help push it out there to more people, and it'd be brilliant if you could consider subscribing if you're new here too. For the contact wash, I went for my usual method on this car of popping some shampoo in the foam lance, in this case CarPro Reset at a 1:9 dilution. I also popped a little bit in my rinse bucket as well for good measure. I really do like this contact wash method, and CarPro Reset is a solid shampoo that works great in a foam lance. It definitely delivers a lot of slickness, which is the main thing I look for really. The ceramic coating was looking really good on the paintwork, but I couldn't resist topping it up that final time, and in this case I used G-Technic Hydro Coat, which is a spray and rinse sealant that's very quick to use, and I really like it for maintaining a ceramic coating. The glass was last coated with Yum Glass Plus, and that again was looking really fresh, but I do like to keep this topped up every couple of washes using a hydrophobic glass cleaner. This one is by Soft 99 and it's probably the best I've used, as it gives a nice boost to the performance, and I've never had any issues with it streaking or smearing. On the tyres, I went for Yum Dress, which leaves a lovely finish and is nice and easy to use. It also has some conditioning effects to help keep that sidewall looking good too. The door shuts always get a wipe down. Here I'm using Gion Eco Wash, which is a waterless wash product, so good for this kind of situation, just to tidy up the odd water spot. The interior on my car never really looks dirty, as I do give it a wipe down once a week. Here I'm using Gion Interior Detailer, which is perfect for this kind of situation, if you're just looking for something to wipe down the odd bit of dust and fingerprints. I also continued with the Gion theme on the interior by using their leather cleaner to get that steering wheel looking nice and matte again. On the fabric mats, I went for Garage Therapy's Interior Cleaner at a 1:9 dilution and worked that in using one of the double-sided scrub pads from my Detail Locker store. This is my go-to method for maintaining fabric mats, as the scrub pads pick up more dirt than a microfiber towel, but are still quite quick to use.